Hello everybody, this is me, Mr. P again. Hold on, let me sort the mic. So in this video we're gonna try the game called Rival Gears. So let's find out if it's playable on a DeX station. So I'm trying to mess with the mic while it's loading. Okay, permission to a storage. Yes, I'll give you permission to a storage. That's fine, take it. Take it, use it, but don't abuse it. I'm nearly level 28 in the Google Play Store. That's fine. Pro level upgrades let you tune your car above. Yeah, 2055. So basically it's tomorrow. Okay, sorry, I think my mic is in the wrong place. It says tap to skip. Okay, let's tap to skip. There's a different types of boost plus insurance. Okay, that's fine. So you can buy like a turbo thing to drive even faster. You can even drive faster the car without the wheels. And oh my god, the sound, I'm not sure if you can hear, but the sound is okay. Turbo. Okay. Okay, yeah, change the lanes. And was too late. Okay. You know what? Please tell me the keyboard's working for this game. Would be awesome. No, it's not working. What about controller? No, controller not working either. So it's only mouse. Right. Okay. Change. No. Okay, let's do this again. That's fine. Succeed. Yeah, whatever, skip. Keep racing, next level, keep racing. Would be awesome. This game would be absolutely awesome on the DeX station with a keyboard. But actually, if you are happy to use a mouse, so far, because it's the beginning of the levels, it's not that hard. Well, for you, it's absolutely hardest level for me. It's like 0 death. I'm doing 0 death here. I'm getting A+ rating. Okay, so I'm turbo. Oh crap! No! God damn it! Alright, chill out. I feel I'm gonna crash. You know what? Whatever. Next level. Let's find out if I can change the settings. I hope I can change settings to use actually the controller instead of. Okay, buy a car. Do I really want to buy this car? Yeah, whatever, let's buy this car. Yes, confirm, take my money. Collect. New car. Thank you very much. Okay, all good. I just want to find out the controls. Can you change the controls? Garage. Do I need? No, not garage. Rocky Racer. Yes. Lane assist, arrows, support, send invite, silence, vibration. No, only silence. I do need my phone to vibrate every time I crash. Change my name to Mr. Pascalis. No, it's Mr. P. Okay, close, confirm. Sorry, your name has already been entered. What? Mr. P legs. Oh my god. Mr. P legs. Leave it, Mr. P legs. Okay, so I'm Mr. P legs apparently. Okay, upgrade, showrooms, race. That's my car. Looks awesome. Oh, where's the settings? I forgot to check. No, there is no graphic support, so there is no graphic settings. My car, yes, race. Let's do one more race. But seriously, playing only with the mouse. Okay. So I need to beat him. Race. Whatever, just race. I'm gonna lose anyway. I'm gonna lose anyway. The Molotov. Sorry, I just smacked the mic. Traffic difficulty very easy. Look how easy it is. I'll probably crash. Oh crap. Am I pushing him? Get out of my way. Okay, I need to be a bit careful with the pressing mouse too many times, because it jump lane so fast. Finish line. Did you see that? Have you seen what I just did? I'm actually winning the race. That's it. Needs a drink for celebration. Near misses, perfect boost, no crashes. Seriously, I'm actually done it. I can't believe I'm actually done it. I'm actually done it. But anyway, this game you need well, keyboard and mouse, quick. Keyboard and a mouse. Oh no. Keyboard and a mouse support is very bad, so you cannot play this game. Okay, apparently allowing me to change. Let's choose this. So no keyboard and mouse support, so you cannot really enjoy this game as I would say would be possible, because at least arrows on the keyboard left and right would be awesome, and then you can use a mouse to just go through menus. But well, you just get what you've been like. You can ask. Just to suddenly upgrade this. I hope that developers will consider this game to be compatible with a keyboard and a mouse support in the future, and then they were gonna do an update or something. But that's what you get. I don't want to watch a video. You're kidding me. Back. So that was a game, Rival Gears. Runs okay on a DeX station. Quality of the graphics could be a bit more, well, a bit more better, but what you expect. This is a mobile phone game, probably on a smartphone displays. This game looks awesome. But anyway, I'm quite chuffed that I actually won the race, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next episode. Like always, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and if you think what I showed you is bullshit, let me a reason why in the comment section below, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.